The Infinix Hot 60 Ultra sets a new benchmark for performance and innovation in the mid-range smartphone category, delivering flagship-level features that are rarely seen at its expected price point. At the heart of its design is a breathtaking 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, providing users with vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and incredibly fluid interactions, perfect for gaming, streaming, or everyday use. Powering the device is the latest Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 processor, a capable and efficient chipset designed to handle demanding tasks, multitasking, and high-performance gaming with ease. One of the standout features of the Hot 60 Ultra is its colossal 8000 mAh battery, which ensures days of usage on a single charge. When it does need a top-up, Infinix's 120W fast charging technology can recharge the battery in record time, reducing downtime and keeping you connected when it matters most. Storage and memory are equally impressive, with an enormous 512 GB of internal storage and an industry-leading 32 GB of RAM, allowing users to run multiple apps, store massive amounts of data, and enjoy lag-free performance without compromise. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled with the phone's headline feature, a jaw-dropping 250MP main camera that pushes mobile photography into a new realm. Whether capturing ultra-high-resolution landscapes or detailed close-ups, the camera system promises clarity, sharpness, and true-to-life colors in every shot. Altogether, the Infinix Hot 60 Ultra is more than just a smartphone. It's a bold statement of what's possible in mobile technology, offering cutting-edge hardware and premium features that appeal to power users, gamers, and creators alike.